Recently, Housewise sent me one of their really cool miniature fire rings. This unit is absolutely adorable and it works exceptionally well. It comes with 4 telescoping forks and the ability to burn both pellets and regular wood just as easily. It also includes a package of their fantastic fire starters. You get a 4-pack of those as a sample and a scoop for wood pellets if you choose to go that way. Just remove the fire ring and you can either use or not use this ring for pellets. You're going to want that in there if you're going to use it to burn pellets. It does work amazingly well. Here's the feet. You just pip these out and you don't need a separate base or anything. Let's get some wood ready and let's get a fire in here. I'm going to use my bushcraft knife and my big honkin' ferrocerium rod to light this, but you could just as easily use a regular Bic lighter as well. But I use the top down fire lay. I don't worry about building this fire up from the bottom. You don't need to. It works just as well starting the fire at the top and letting it burn down. But yeah, again, Bic lighter would be just as useful here. You don't need a knife. But anyway, burning on regular wood, this guy does a fantastic job. It burns super clean and super efficiently. You will get some smoke initially. I mean, these aren't truly smoke-free, but they do a great job of maintaining the smoke once they get going and build up some heat. You're not going to get any smoke out of these. Now we're gonna get this guy charged up for a pellet burn. So I'm going to throw 2 of their fire starters in this ring, pop it on the ash catcher that goes down back into the bottom of the stove, and that's going to provide us a really good solution for getting the pellets started efficiently. I'm going to add some pellets in here, and then we're going to light this guy up, and it does a great job of, if you really want an efficient burn, the pellets are the way to go because you will get virtually no residue left from that experience. And if you're using food safe pellets, you can certainly use this flame to great effect and make yourself some s'mores. This little fire ring offers a really portable, really inexpensive, and beautiful fire experience that you can pop up anywhere. And those feet get it up off the surface so you don't have to worry about burning what's underneath. Thanks for watching, everyone.